Scene: a rapid montage of crashing stock market graphs, panicked traders on the phone, and newspaper headlines about global financial collapse, ending on a slow zoom into the Lehman Brothers logo. What if I told you the 2008 financial crash wasn't just an accident? That it was the final chapter in a 158-year-old story of ambition, greed, and a single bet that went catastrophically wrong. This is the story of Lehman Brothers, the bank that gambled with the world and lost. Scene: transition from a black and white image of a 19th century cotton field to the bustling New York Stock Exchange in the 1980s. Show images of CEO Richard Fuld looking powerful and confident. It started in 1844, a small dry goods store in Alabama, founded by German immigrant Henry Lehman. Through generations, it evolved from cotton trading to a global financial powerhouse. By the 2000s, under the aggressive leadership of CEO Richard the Gorilla Fuld, Lehman Brothers became a titan of Wall Street, famous for its high-risk, high-reward bets, especially in a new booming market, subprime mortgages. Scene: animated graphics showing a pyramid of complex mortgage-backed securities, which then begins to crumble. Show houses with foreclosure signs. Cut to shots of tense closed-door meetings in boardrooms. They were packaging and selling loans to people who could never afford to pay them back. For a while, it was a gold mine. But when the housing market bubble burst, those assets became toxic. Lehman was too exposed, too leveraged. In the frantic weekend of September 2008, the US government and other major banks made a fateful decision. Unlike others, Lehman would not be saved. Scene: iconic images of Lehman employees leaving the headquarters with their personal belongings in boxes. Show the Dow Jones Industrial Average graph plummeting downwards in real time. On September 15, 2008, Lehman Brothers filed for the largest bankruptcy in US history. The domino had fallen. Credit markets froze, global stocks plummeted, and the world economy was plunged into its worst crisis since the Great Depression. The bank that was once too big to fail had just crashed the world. Scene: modern shots of Wall Street, juxtaposed with data visualizations showing current levels of corporate debt or other financial risk indicators. End on a thoughtful, open-ended shot looking over a city skyline. So what have we learned? 3 things stand out: the immense danger of excessive leverage, the frightening interconnectedness of our global financial system, and the devastating human cost when it all goes wrong. Today, some argue the system is safer, while others point to new bubbles forming, warning that the patterns are repeating. The question remains: have we truly learned the lessons of Lehman Brothers, or is history waiting for its chance to repeat? If you found this deep dive insightful, subscribe for more. And tell us in the comments, what do you see as the biggest financial risk today?